just unboxing my Easy Hangi. Just got it 2 days ago.
See what it comes with. We're going to do a Hangi tonight. See how we go. So it comes with a 10 litre pot, 2 food baskets, 2 packs of flavour sticks, 2 grip hooks. We need a jug. Oh, we've got a jug there, I think. Alright, let's get this baby out. These are the 2 sticks, flavour sticks. We've got a pot scrubber. Alright. What it looks like, little baby. 2 wire baskets. Easy Hangi. Actually quite smaller than I thought. You can get the 20 litre, but yeah, we don't have a big family, so.
Okay, we're back again. We're about to start cooking with this. Just following the steps on the diagram. First of all, we're going to place this pot in the oven. And we're going to open one of the flavour packs. It's got these 2 little things, look like schmackos. They smell like schmackos. But anyway, they're the flavour sticks. Now place the 2 flavour sticks in the middle of the pot. Okay, 2 schmackos in the middle of the pot. Now with the bottom rack, you put your meat in it. Your top rack, you put your vegetables. Now put the meat basket on top of the 2 flavour sticks. So you put your meat in first. Then you put your vegetables on top of the meat basket. Fits in quite snug. And place a lid on top of your pot. Turn the stove element on to full and leave for 15 minutes. Also, I forgot to add, we're doing stuffing. Add your stuffing wrapped in foil and pierce 6 small holes in the foil. Alright, so you've got to place it on. That's obviously why you got the pot scrubber. I was wondering, like, how does water burn your fucking pot? But obviously that's what you do. You need that pot scrubber because you put turn on hot for 15 minutes. That's going to burn your pot a bit. After 15 minutes, you measure 1.5 litres of hot water from the tap and pour straight into the pot. Place lid on pot and leave for 30-45 minutes. Keep heat on full. After 45 minutes, use grip hooks to lift baskets from pot. Alright, we're going to start with our meat. We're just going with some drumsticks and some chops. Chopped up all my vegetables. Got some carrot, broccoli, kumara, corn, potatoes and pumpkin, and some carrot. And my missus made a stuffing with bread, onions, herbs, butter. I think that's pretty much it. She can't eat garlic because she's allergic, so yeah. I'm gonna put this in. That's fitting, alright. And we're going to put our stuffing on top. And we've got our lid. There we go. Alright. Now we've got the pot ready to go. The only thing, I don't know what size burner to use. So we've got small, medium and large. We'll go with medium. Because you put it on full. Better put some fan on here. Actually, we'll do that in a sec. But yeah, we've got our Hangi ready to go. It's on full. Got to get up 1.5 litres after 15 minutes and pour it in. You watch the website. The guy says 10 minutes, but on the instructions they said 15. So I'll go with the instructions. All right, we've got it on full. Gonna put our timer on. Put our timer on for 15 minutes. Now it's going on the oven for 15 minutes. Easy Hangi. We're done. We're going to put water in our Easy Hangi. Easy Hangi. .5 litres of water, and we're going to leave it for 45 minutes. And make sure you use hot water from the tap, as I said before. This isn't boiling water. If anyone sees the kettle and comes in again, I've said it twice, but I'll say it again. It's not boiling water. It's water out of the kettle. I don't have a 1.5 litre jug, so. Alright. There we go. The lid wasn't hot, so yeah, no need to wear gloves. And we're going to set that for another 45 minutes. First I'm going to unlock it. They call it a child lock, but it's more like an adult lock. Have you tried getting these things off? Alright, 45 minutes. Don't know if it's going to steam over, or never done one before, so I guess it's only 10 litre pot, 1.5, it's only like that much water, so it's just, yeah, it'll be good. Alright, we'll come back when it's ready to rock and roll. Alright, done. Our Easy Hangi is done. 45, 60 minutes all up. Actually that was hot, but not too hot. Okay. Got my hooks. How do you even put this in? Oh, on the inside. Oh, okay. You got to hook it on the inside. I was trying to hook it on the outside. Fucking idiot. All right. Our vegetables, and we're going to grab the meat. Might need a tray. Oh, there's still plenty of water in it. Glad I didn't chuck any more water in it. All right. I don't know if people like making gravy. I don't know if this would be any good. Alright, this is the finished product. Got the stuffing from the top. There's the stuffing. And all the meat. Chicken on the bottom. Have a look at that, fantastic. Looks nice, smells nice. Just hope it tastes as good as it looks. Oh, we better eat some food. This is my first time trying this Easy Hangi. Fucking fantastic. The meat's tender. I'm not a big fan of salt, so to have things not salty like this, I love it. Glad I bought it. It's a good value for money. To send to Australia, it's about 200 bucks, and I think it's worth spending. Like, if you've got a bigger family, buy the bigger pot. There's only a couple of us, so yeah, 10 litres perfect. But if you've got a big family, get the 20 litre.